Today we are looking at a classic Bawo & Dotter tall case. In the late 1800s, Bawo & Dotter was a large New York City importer. And in 1893, they started importing clocks from Europe. Well, they decided to get more into the clock business, and things took off from there. Under their name, they sold a few different lines of clocks, one of them being called Elite. A lot of these have German movements, and you are looking at one today. So this clock was made about the year 1900. It is 96 inches tall, 21.5 inches wide, and 15 3/8 inches deep. The case is mahogany and it's in beautiful shape. The movement is stamped Elite, and it's most likely a Winterhalter and Hofmeier, a German movement. It plays the Westminster chime on 4 gongs, and 1 large gong is used for the strike. Now this has a super deep strike and it sounds terrific. Most tall case clocks I run into today are either chime rods or tubular bells, and it's just nice to hear one that's a little different striking on a gong. Now the owner shared something really interesting with me about this clock and the way it chimes. It actually plays a variation of the Westminster chime, and he had documentation about it from an old watch and clock bulletin, and which talked about this line of clock and a couple other lines of clocks from Bawo & Dotter that played a variation of Westminster chime. So if it sounds a little out of sequence, that's probably why. So this is a terrific clock for being 120 years old and still keeping good time. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video, and if you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos about clocks. Thank you for watching.